Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn off mobile push notifications on your notification server settings, easy and quick. First, uh, click here. Now here you will find notifications, click on it. And here as you see, you will find mobile push notifications, click on it like this and it will be turned off. And that's it, that's how to turn off mobile push notifications on your notification server settings on your account on Discord, easy and quick. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. It's helpful for you. And thanks for watching. Thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.